2014 Jeep Patriot, throttle body issues and low voltage. Check it out. If you go to your dash and you see that flashing light, that means some sort of throttle body error. So when you start it up, it would throw that light, and then ABS traction control and check engine. Runs like crap, chug-a-lug-a-lug. And what these throttle bodies like to do is malfunction and then throw off the CAN bus, and you'll have errors with all kinds of other stuff. So we had the ABS and traction control light on, and when we went to the ABS control module, the brake control module, we couldn't get into it. We couldn't scan it. Now we can scan it, and let me show you why. So the only thing we have disconnected is the throttle body down here. As soon as we disconnected the throttle body, all of a sudden we can scan the ABS again. So that confirms to me that the throttle body is bad, was throwing off the CAN bus and making a bunch of other codes and stuff come on. So to change this throttle body, you got a air tube right here. You got a little sensor, radiator hose right here. Take that off. And that gives you enough room to take your throttle body out. You got 4 10mm bolts. Always replace the gasket, and it needs a relearn after you change the throttle body. So we dig into our PCM here. Read fault codes. And this is the original code we had, P2112. And then we have these two codes came up after disconnecting the throttle body. Was it a P2111 or a P2112? Let me double check. Yeah, the original codes was a U0401 and a P2112. So if you have those two codes together, check into your throttle body being bad. Here's our original alternator. Look how nasty this guy looks. So it was only charging at, you can feel something. You can even hear it sometimes. There, it's got a little hang up right there. And that was producing anywhere from 11 to 12 volts. Got the new alternator on there, and then we're back up to over 14. So that was one issue. And then the throttle body is the other. I wonder what the heck happened to this throttle body, because it's got a big old dent there and there. Like my finger sits into it. And this is where it came from, right here. So somebody had to have been working on it, or something popped inside that throttle body. It was sitting approximately there.
Like that.
Yeah, it was sitting like that.
Yeah, there's no reason why that should have gotten busted up like that unless a major rock was flying through here, didn't hit nothing on the way through, and did a ping pong rattle back, whatever, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I have no idea what could make those marks on this, but we got the throttle body off.
Damage.
And that's where it threads into the plastic intake. And there's your seal. Get that out with a little pick. Just wipe this surface down with a rag, pull your seal out, put a new seal in, put your new throttle body in with the 4 10mm bolts.
Don't forget about your bracket.
And there's that bracket. You got to take a 13mm off from right there. The bracket hovers over these two. Like that. All right, we're in our system. We're going to go to special function after changing the new throttle body. Go to throttle body relearn. Press OK. And this is with the Launch X431. Learn ETC, electronic throttle control. This feature will relearn TP, throttle position voltages, and AP position. If the temperature is too low, please warm up the vehicle. Press and hold the accelerator pedal. Holding it, press OK. Firmly to the floor. You can find the scanner in my Amazon store, by the way, guys. Pinned on my page. Release the accelerator pedal and press OK. Learn complete. It's that easy. Learn passed. Press OK to exit. And that's diag and install on throttle body for Jeep 2.0, 2.4 liters with the relearn with the launch scanner. Oh yeah, I can't forget to go into the PCM, TCM, BCM, and ABS and delete all those codes that it was throwing. So we're just going to go and clear all fault codes. Press OK. And we want to verify, I have started it once. We want to verify that that code is gone. Bada boom, no DTCs. Oh yeah, she's driving nice again. No codes, no check engine light. Absolutely nothing on the dash. We're doing good.